If you need to print presenter notes in Prezi, especially on the basic free plan, the good news is that there's a simple workaround that lets you review, copy, and print your notes cleanly without needing anything complicated. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to access your presenter notes in Prezi, copy them from the editor, and paste them into a document you can print as a neat cue sheet. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tips and step-by-step guides. Let's get started. First, open your presentation inside the Prezi online editor. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that your project is loaded in the unified editor layout. Once your presentation is open, you'll want to look around the editor interface for the notes controls. Depending on your layout, you can either click More in the top toolbar or use the Notes button in the bottom right corner near the Help section. Either option should open the Presenter Notes panel. Once the Presenter Notes panel appears, you'll be able to view the text tied to your presentation content. This is the area where you can review your speaker notes one by one as you move through the presentation. If you have a lot of slides or frames, this panel makes it much easier to organize what you want to print. Now, to move through your notes in order, use the navigation arrows at the bottom of the sidebar. These arrows let you hop sequentially through your slides, so you can check each note section without losing your place. If your goal is to print the notes, the next step is to copy the text from the panel. Click inside the panel frame, then select all the text you want to keep. On most computers, you can use Ctrl+A to select the text, then Ctrl+C to copy it. If you're on a Mac, use Command+A and Command+C instead. Once the text is copied, open a local Google Doc or a Word document and paste the notes in using Ctrl+V or Command+V. This is the easiest way to turn Prezi presenter notes into something printable. Pasting the content into Google Docs or Word gives you a cleaner layout, better control over spacing, and easier formatting before printing. You can add page breaks, adjust font size, bold key points, or organize the notes into sections if needed. That makes it much more practical than trying to print directly from the editor. If you want an even smoother workflow, I recommend pasting each slide's notes into separate headings in your document. That way, when you print, you'll have a structured reference sheet that matches your presentation flow. You can also use this method to create backup speaker notes, share them with a collaborator, or keep a copy for rehearsal. So just to recap, open your Prezi presentation, go to More or the Notes button, open the Presenter Notes panel, move through the slides with the navigation arrows, copy the text, and paste it into Google Docs or Word to print it cleanly. It's fast, simple, and works well if you're on the free plan. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Prezi tutorials, presentation tips, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.